How to use Apple Maps navigation. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can use Apple Maps and navigation, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Using Apple Maps is somewhat like using Google Maps. Whenever you open the app, you just tap on this location icon to view your current live location here. Now if you want to go somewhere from your current location, you can simply tap on the search maps option, select for a location that you want to go to, and then here you'll see all the information of that particular location. You can call them, you can have their website, but since we want to travel there, you can scroll down and under address you can see this arrow button. Only when you tap on arrow button you'll be able to view the directions, but unfortunately in my case directions are not currently available from my current location. But if it's available in yours, then you'll definitely find it. You'll see start and end destination. You can choose driving, you can choose walking, cable car, or cycling, or running, whatever else it is you prefer. You'll be able to use Apple Maps in that way. If you tap on your particular profile icon here, you'll be able to download the maps for offline use. You can use the preferences while driving, walking, or whatever else it is you prefer. So hope this video helped you as to how you can use Apple Maps for navigation. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.